Welcome everyone to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have stitchfix. Stitchfix is an online styling service. Pay them a $20 styling fee. They'll curate a box of 5 items based on a style profile that you fill out. Keep what you want, send back what you don't. Shipping is free both ways. Anything you decide to keep, that $20 gets applied to what you purchase. I have the Style Pass, so I pay an annual $49 per year, and I can get unlimited fixes. That $49 still gets applied to whatever I purchase. It's a win-win situation for me. If there's nothing I want, I can easily send it back. So just a little bit about me. My house is a disaster right now, so I'm trying to avoid the messy areas in this filling. We're shipping my daughter off to college, and like all of her stuff is like right in our foyer. So hopefully you don't get a glimpse of that. All right, so today let's see what my stylist sent me. My stylist is Shannon from Shannon Style. She is also another YouTuber. Shannon knows that I have a ton of clothes. She knows the name brands that I tend to like. And she knows more or less my style, and she knows I'm looking for unique to me items. So what she tells me she tries to look for the brands that I like and newer items. So some of the things that I get are a little bit pricier, but I'm willing to pay that because my wardrobe is stuffed and I'm only looking for something that makes my heart go pitter-patter at this point. So let me go through the items that I got. And the first thing I got was this Legend knit sweater shirt by Faherty. All right, one thing I forgot to mention is that you do get a preview where they'll show you, I think, 10 items, and you can keep up to 5 or none at all. I kept 3 items, all right? So the 3 items I kept, one of them was this Faherty thing. This is totally not my style. The name brand is a name brand that I do enjoy. And I am, even though it's not my style, I am looking to add a plaid shirt to my wardrobe, believe it or not. I'm just not so sure that this is the one for $158. Let me bring it a little closer. It has again, they call this like vanilla creams. I have a Faherty top that's like a peachish, peachish ivoryish. It's more of like a peach. And it has that same kind of color in here. It's not quite a beige and it's not quite peach. It's kind of like in between. And then it has this gray stripe. So when I'm looking for a plaid shirt, this is kind of what I'm looking for. Something that's soft and pretty colors. I'm not looking for something that looks like I'm going to be going into the woods and chopping down a tree. I want it soft and gentle. So this has buttons down the front, and it's like almost like a ponte knit material. It's very stretchy. It's not flannel at all. So this is very unique to me, and I do like the colors. I just don't think that this is so much my style that I'm willing to spend $158 on it, because it just isn't my style. Like, I do want to add something to make it unique to my wardrobe, but not for this much. So I will give it a try though and put it on. And I do like it, but it's just not like it enough, if that makes sense. Okay, next item in this is the Michael Stars Penny Stretch Twill Straight, and they're calling these beige, which I would say they are. And they're a size extra small, and they're $138. So Faherty, Michael Stars are definitely name brands I like. These are stretch twill jeans, so there's actually not that much stretch to them, to be honest with you. I wouldn't say there really is. Yeah, there is some stretch to them. Okay, let me read you what the materials are. And I'll also do the same for the sweater too, or the shirt too. So these are 98% cotton, 2% elastane, and this sweater, or the button down I should say, because it's like a knit, 60% polyester, 33% viscose, 7% elastane, okay? Faherty usually has natural fabrics and is like sustainable. Obviously this one is not. Again, I like it, but not $158. And these, I'm not so sure about. I can't imagine these looking nice on me. They have the pleats in the front and the slash pockets. I tend to have like wider hips, but these look really wide, so I don't think the pockets will pull on these, but you never know. But I'm not fond of pleats in the front because they tend to add that bulk. And then it has this elastic waist all the way around. I'm very skeptical of these looking well on me, but I'll give them a try. Let's see, the pockets. There are 2 fake pockets in the back, and like I said, the working slash pockets in the front. I do need a pair of pants like this color. I have 1 pair and they're pretty snug on me, and they're more screaming spring. So I kind of would like a nice beige pants like this, but I'm not so sure about these either, to be honest with you, for $138. All right, she picked those out. The next 2 things also were from my preview. This one is the French Connection Nadia Mozart rib sweater in blue, size extra small, for $98. So when I saw this in my preview, I thought, ugh, a boxy sweater with a crew neck is just not me. But I said, I really like the color. I'm like, I don't know, the boxy crew neck sweater just isn't for me. But I'm like, I really like the color. And then I looked, and this is 100% cotton. So then I said, okay, send it to me. So I'll give it a shot, but I don't know, again, about the style. It was, you know, between the color and the 100% cotton is what got me, but I'm not so sure about the style of the sweater itself. So I'm gonna come closer so you can see the texture of the sweater. All right, so you see how it has like this line ribbed here? All right, and this is $98. The next one is the French Connection Alley puff sleeve crew neck. All right, now this one was another one where I saw crew neck, but again, I like the color, and it has these puff sleeves. So I just thought this was so cute how it has like, it has a cuff around here, a cuff around the elbow area, and then a little like trumpet bottom. Thought it was so cute, love the color. So I thought I'd give it a try. Now this one, I think has some acrylic in it. This one is, as I try and read this small print here, as it's very small, 88% acrylic, 11% polyamide, 1% elastane. So yeah, I'm not really thrilled about the material of this, but I figured I'd give it a shot because it just looked cute in the preview. So obviously things are not going so well for me. And this sweater is $128. Okay, so then the next thing she sent that I did not know about is this Market & Spruce Jayla tie waist sweater, and it stops in burgundy in an extra small petite. So this, they're calling it sweater, but I don't know, this seems to me more like a brushed knit, to be honest with you. So it is a wrap style, okay? It does have these cute balloon sleeves, which I do like. You know, if I was going into an office, this would totally be for me, but I'm working from home at this point and forever and ever because my office closed down. So I really don't have a need for this dress. Let me see what it's also, and again, it feels more like a brushed knit versus a sweater dress. It's very thin, rib material. Let's see if I can figure out what this is made of. And I don't see a label in here at all. Here it is. Okay. So this is 75% rayon, 20% polyester, 5% spandex. I will try it on, and I'll put on like a pair of boots with it, but I don't foresee me keeping this either. All right, give me a few minutes, or actually I'm probably gonna go to work at this point, and you'll see this after my lunch break. So, but it'll be seamless for you. So take care and see you in a minute. Okay, up first is the French Connection pink sweater, which is a lovely pink sweater. It is super soft. I don't think it does much to flatter me. I would say it's probably too big for me, I'm gonna guess. It's just kind of hangs on my body and doesn't do anything for me. The pants actually fit me better than I expected. These really remind me of what I used to wear in the 80s and the type of pants that I wore with the pleats here. Remember when they were in back in the 80s, like the Calvaricis? I decided to pair them with my loafers. They're really a good fit, great length, very comfortable, especially with that stretchy elastic waist. It does have a true button and zipper too as well. However, at this time, I just can't justify the price of these pants. And I just don't know if I can go back to wearing these pleated pant styles. This whole outfit is very reminiscent of how I used to dress when I was in high school. But yeah, so, here's the sweater and the back of it, and the pants in the back. And again, remember the pockets in the back are faux pockets, and slash pockets here in the front. Extremely comfortable, nice quality. At this point in time, I just can't justify this purchase. All right, give me a minute, I'll try on the next sweater. Okay, up next is the blue sweater. And just to let you know, I just watched the footage of these pants and nah, not flattering. They're going back. Yeah, totally not my style. Yeah, they're very preppy for me. And like I said, when I was younger, like I totally see myself 8th, 9th, 10th, even up through high school, like later high school, wearing pants. This is like totally would have been my uniform back then, along with a pair of penny loafers. So let's get on with this sweater. A crew neck, again, not my favorite neckline. That doesn't mean I don't wear crew neck. I certainly do, and I have plenty in crew neck, but just in general, I don't find them very flattering on me. I think an open neckline is better, or even a turtleneck looks nicer than a crew neck. It just seems a little like stuffy, I guess is what I'm saying. As to be expected, the sleeves are a little bit long because I'm only 5'2". This is a crop style, which I do not enjoy because as you see, I raise myself and you can see my side, which my little muffin top or my love handles are hanging out. So that does not appeal to me either. So even though it's a beautiful color and a really nice quality and great material, the style just isn't me, so I'll be sending it back. And probably the lesson I learned from this is just because it's a nice color, if I don't like the style, don't say send it. Carolyn, just let your stylist pick it out, But I just saw it and I said, oh, that's a pretty color. Cotton, sure, send it along. Because I thought you never know, but the style just is not me. All right. Yeah, I hate to be a Debbie Downer too, but also my daughter is, heading off to college, and she's there actually now, and we're moving all her stuff in tomorrow. So this is kind of where my mind is at. And I already extended this out, my return date, but I kind of want to get this out of the house before I leave the next couple days. So give me a minute and I'll try on the Faherty top. Okay, up next is this Faherty top. Super, super, super soft. I think the fit in this is absolutely perfect. It is a knit material. It is not a flannel. It is stretchy. You wouldn't know that until you actually felt the material though. As I said in my intro, I am looking for a plaid top. I am looking for lighter, softer, delicate shades and not so much in your face. I don't want to look like a lumberjack, even though I think just general connotation of these tops is more masculine and feminine. I'm looking for something that gears more on the side of feminine, but I don't want to purchase a plaid top for this expensive because it just isn't my style. I do want one because I kind of want to branch out and tiptoe in it, but I just don't want to make this kind of investment, if that makes sense. All right, here's the back of it. You can see it's longer and you can wear this with like leggings. I wore this with the pants because I'm lazy, all right? But I would not wear this with these pants at all. So yeah, I mean, it's beautiful, it fits fine. This is an extra small, which is my true size, and I would say that this really fits me well as far as fit. I will probably like unbutton it and put a t-shirt on underneath and wear it kind of that way. Oh, this is like, the fabric on this is beautiful. So I highly recommend this if you don't mind spending the extra money on this, something like this. The quality is there on this. Again, here's the back of it. All right, give me a minute and I just have that dress left. Last up is the Market and Spruce dress in burgundy, size extra small petite. And this one is only $54. I'm gonna pan down so you can see where it comes to me. It comes like basically mid-calf on me. There are slits here on the side, but they're very, very modest slits. And this is very thin and very clingy. I would say this is like a brushed knit, not a sweater. And it just shows every lump and bump. I'll even wear bodycon, but bodycon typically tend to be a thicker fabric and thus less showing lumps and bumps even though they're tighter. This is a thin fabric and just clingy, if that makes sense. All right, let me pan down so you can actually see where this ends up on me so you can get an idea. All right, mid-calf, I paired it with a pair of black boots. You can see the slit. It's super soft fabric, but like I said, I feel almost like a brushed knit, which would probably pill up upon wear. It is a faux wrap, so the top part is just wrap only, and then it is, you know, straight here on the bottom, and just this tie is that goes all the way out. It is removable. It's just for decoration, okay? As far as fit, I think this is an extra small petite. I think it's true to size. It has the banded here cuff and the balloon sleeve, which I do like. The style of the dress I do like. I'm just not too thrilled with the quality of it. But again, it's only $54, so that explains the quality. All right, yeah, that's it. Well, what did you think of my fix? I would have to say, at least I got some different items. They're definitely unique to me. It's just nothing that my heart is, you know, really, you know, saying, Carolyn, you must buy me. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? Give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.